Hi, my name is Don Dahlberg. I am the After Hours Commercial Service Manager. Here at Ford of Ocala, we're actually doing an after hours from 5 o'clock at night till 2 o'clock in the morning commercial vehicle and fleet vehicle maintenance program. Don't have to worry about having downtime with your vehicles. You don't have to worry about your employees not being on the road doing what they're supposed to be doing, making your company money. We take care of all your maintenance items at night. We can do recalls. We can do any of your general maintenance and some repairs during the evening hours. We do request that you call us ahead of time and let us know that you're coming in, just so we can make preparations if there's something we need for the vehicles. That way we can have parts and everything on hand when you get here to have the service work done.